Namaste Yogis, I'm Samatya from Bodsphere. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel named Bodsphere. So today we are going to do the asanas, we are going to do yoga for our gut health. Yes, so if you are suffering from any constipation or if you want to just focus on this area, in fact you want to stimulate the organs inside, yes. So some of the asanas that we are going to do today will be focusing on this area, yes, in the abdominal area. So let's get started. And before we even move on to the asanas, I would recommend that you have to do as much as you can. You can go as per my speed with my count, or if you want to take it slow, just take it easy. Yes? Alright, so let's all sit in cross-legged position known as Sukhasana. Yes? So if you want to take any wall support, or if you want to just adjust your hips, or you want to keep a cushion under your hips, it's all okay as long as you are comfortable. So you are good to go. Yes, so let's all sit in this comfortable position and let's keep our palms facing towards the ceiling. Let's close our eyes. Let's sit tall. It's a beautiful day. So let's just spend some time with ourselves before moving on to the asanas. Let's keep our shoulders relaxed. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. And keep a very gentle and sweet smile on your face. It will make things a lot easier. Let's take our attention towards our breath first. This will help you calm down your body, calm down your mind. That's how we can prepare ourselves for yoga, once your attention is completely on your breath. Just sit comfortably and easily and let go all your efforts. As you inhale, your lungs are expanding, and as you breathe out, they contract. When you focus on your breath, you automatically take your attention towards your body also. So the body awareness rises. And slowly and gently, whenever you feel comfortable, you may gently open your eyes. All right, so let's start moving our body from one side to another. If you want to place your elbow on the floor, great. If not, excellent. So you just have to rock your body from side to side. So this will help you in stimulating all the internal organs of your body, especially over here. Of course, on our upper body also, but in the abdominal region also. So just keep rocking for at least 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back to the center. Let's just place our right palm on our left thigh. And let's take our left arm up. Let's look up towards the left palm. So you have to twist from your abdominal region. Yes, you have to twist from your spine. And you have to look up towards the left palm for at least 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's switch. Let's place our left palm on our right thigh. You have to twist a bit, yes, so you don't have to take your right arm just over here. If you are able to take it over here, it's okay, but see, with time, if you can just twist a bit more, and you can take your arm at least till this point. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all come back. Now what we are going to do is we will just take our left arm and we will place it on our right thigh. So close to the right thigh if possible, and the right arm goes up and just bend a bit to the left side. Let's just stay over here for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep sitting tall, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back and you can take out your left arm. Let's place our right arm on the left side, close to the left thigh if possible. If you can grab it, great. If not, it's okay. All right, so let's take our left arm and let's stay over here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all come back and let's all relax. So now what we are going to do is we will just place our legs in front of us. Okay, so we are just getting ready for the boat pose for the Naukasana, which is majorly for this area. Okay, so now those people who can lift the legs up like this, you can go ahead. If not, you can even keep your arms over here and try to make sure that your shin bone, this bone, is parallel to the floor. All right, so in this video we are going to do both. Yes, so let's lift our legs up and let's take our arms also up. So you have to make sure that your eyes, your palms and the toes are in one straight line. Let's just stay over here for 10 sweet seconds. Toes pointed outwards, chest out, shoulders out, roll back for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may relax and you can just gently place your palms behind you and you can just shake your thighs just a bit, just to open them up. So all the organs are interlinked. Everything is connected inside our body. Yes, it's not just the abdominal region we work upon, but overall we have to work upon all the different parts of the body. Okay, so now the shin bone part. Yes, so just lift your legs up. You have to make sure that your arms are by your side next to your legs, toes are pointed outwards, shin bone parallel to the floor for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may gently place your palms behind your back and once again shake, shake, shake. So let's just shake our thighs for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's all lie down. Let's all lie down on our spine in the supine pose. So our legs are stretched in front of us, our arms are by our side. Let's just take proper rest before we move on to the asanas. For only 5 seconds, let's take some rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so let's bend our knees, let's fold our knees, let's wrap our arms around our legs. So if you can, if you want, you can even lift your upper body up and see if you can touch your nose to the knees. If you don't want to lift your upper body up, you can even, if you cannot, you can just place your head onto the floor and just wrap your arms around your legs. Yes? So let's just stay over here in Pavan Muktasana for at least 10 seconds. So ideally Pavan Muktasana is done by touching the nose to the knees, but if you have any body issue, then you can just rest your head onto the floor. It's okay. So let's just stay here for a couple of seconds. And slowly, let's just release the right leg. The left leg will remain close to the chest. So the right toes are pointed outwards, even the left toes. So let's just lift our upper body up and see if we can touch our nose to the knee in Ardha Pavan Muktasana. If you want to give a very strong hug, you can just give it a shot. And slowly you may release your left leg. You may bring your upper body down onto the floor, and let's bring our right leg close to the chest. You may lift your upper body up. Just stay in the pose. And slowly and gently you may drop your body down and release your leg. All right, so now let's just fold our knees once again. You can drop your legs onto the right side and your arms are stretched on both the sides. So when you are stretching your arms and you are dropping your legs onto the right side, you have to make sure that the shoulders, remain in contact with the floor. The idea is not to lift the body like this, but to feel the stretch in the abdominal area by making sure that your shoulders remain in contact with the floor. And you have to look on the opposite side. If the legs are on the right, look onto the opposite side. Let's just stay in this beautiful pose for a couple of seconds, for at least 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back to the center and let's drop our legs onto the left side now. Now you have to face towards the right. So let's just stay in this pose. So you have to keep smiling throughout the session. You don't have any other option. So for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back to the center and let's just place our arms next to our body. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we'll be lifting our legs up. Yes, and we have to lift our upper body also up. If you cannot lift your upper body, just to reach out to your legs, it's okay. You can still lift your legs up. All right. So when you are doing this, you have to make sure that the toes are pointed towards the ceiling or the sky or the heaven. Yes. So let them be stretched and pointed outwards. Lift your upper body up and let's just stay over here for at least 10 seconds. Knees locked, hamstrings tight. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may bring your arms down and legs will also come down very slowly and gently. All right. So now let's just fold our legs once again. Okay, so let's just place our arms like this in L shape. You can adjust your body. So you just have to lift your legs up just a bit. So you can bend your knees at 90 degrees like this if you want. If they are like this, it's okay, because we are working on the abdominal region and we'll be moving our body like this, like tick tock, yeah. So like a pendulum, our body will be moving from one side to another. All right, let's place our arms like this just to engage our shoulders along with the abdominal exercise that we are going to do. All right, so let's just begin with the tick tock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel the stretch in the abdominal region. It's beautiful. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and let's all come back to the center. And you may bring your arms close to your body and you may stretch your legs, extend your legs in front. Okay, let's just lie down in Shavasana only for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's all gently turn onto the right side. Let's all get up, taking the support of our palms. Okay, so we are back in the seated comfortable position. Yes, the Sukhasana. So let's just place our palms on our thighs. This is the last stretch that we are going to do, but it is one of my favorites because it helps in stimulating all the internal organs. Okay. And plus, one more thing, it helps you in making your spine flexible and supple. So do give it a shot. Yes, and do let me know how it went for you in the comment section below. Yes, so let's just place our palms on our thighs and let's start with the body rotation or the spinal rotation. One of the best movements ever. So one of my favorites. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's switch for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's all come back to the center and let's all relax. So this video was all about yoga for gut health, for this area, for good digestion, if you want to get some relief from constipation or if you want to have good bowel movement. So these asanas you can do, you can practice back at home. So in fact we provide them, we conduct all the online classes, also online yoga and fitness sessions. So you can enroll for those sessions if you want. We will provide you the link in the description below, and apart from that we'll also provide you the link for the subscription based platform that we have. You can enroll for that also, because there are tons of videos you can explore and start feeling better from within. So you can start practicing back at home itself, and do let us know how it went for you in the comment section below. Yes, and if you have any questions of any sort, whether it's related to yoga, fitness, health, nutrition, Ayurveda, life or spirituality, anything, so we are always here for you. Yes, so till then, please do take care, and please do like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you in the next video. Yes, till then, just take care and stay safe, everyone. Namaste, yogis.